blackboard.
A green board.
I do like the color green. I like green with the red color.
Is that why you don't like your chalkboard?
Reciprocal. I'll just tell you what it is and then we'll talk about what it does and what good it is. A reciprocal is nothing more than a fraction flipped over. In other words, the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. The reciprocal of 7/8 is 8/7. Now I'm going to try to trick you here. What's the reciprocal of 3? The reciprocal of 3, Karan,
1/3.
is 1/3. Why? Because you make 3 a fraction by putting it over 1, and then you flip it over if it's 1/3. Okay? So reciprocals are really pretty easy. A couple facts about them are this. If I were to multiply, if you multiply a number and its recip together, what do you suppose you get? You get, well, let's do it a couple times. If I multiply 3/2 times 2/3, what do I end up with? 2 times 3 and 3 times 2, I get 6/6. If I multiply 1 times 2, I get 2. 2 times 1, I get 2. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. 3 times 1 is 3. So anytime you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you get 1. 1. Every time I did this, I got the same number over the same number. But any fraction that has the same number over the same number is, in fact, just 1. Now, things to be careful or watch out for when you see reciprocals is this. They will, this is, people ask me questions on this all the time. If they do something like this, what was that? 2/3 times, and then they'll give you a little box, equals 1. Guess what the number that goes in the box is? Madison?
3/2.
Yep, 3/2. Anytime you see a fraction and it equal to 1, you should always think about the reciprocal, because that's what they're probably going to give you or looking for you to get the answer to. For example, this. How about this one? Here's a tough one for you. 4 times what number is 1? Four times what is 1? And again, you just have to think about this. We can find the reciprocal of 4. The reciprocal of 4, Andrew, is?
1/4.
Correct. 4 times 1/4 is 1. Or what number times 3/5 is 1? The answer to that is, it's getting tougher all the time, Caleb?
5/3.
5/3. Keep cooking that one. That's the wrong one.
That's Photoshop.
That was actually Sony Bakes.
Sony bakes.
Sony